Can I regrow a lettuce? You'll have to stay tuned and find out. This is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. So what I did is I cut the lettuce which I bought from the supermarket, and then into this height, I removed some, but I think it could have affected it. Anyway, this is after 3 days, guys. This is the result, little bit brown. And then I change the water every day. This is just on top of my kitchen sink because there's a window over there, a little bit of sunshine. And let's see the process.
May tumubo nga siya, tapos nagba-brown siya. Tapos everyday lang, palit ako siya. Guys, yun yung pinutulan ko kasi yung sa ilalim, baka yun. Anyways, ayan may tumutubo siya konti, pero mabagal ang pagtubo at nagba-brown na siya. Baka kailangan ibilad ko siya sa araw. Let's see. Ayan na siya, guys. Tignan nyo ba? Oh, it's growing. Natumba ko kanina. Naputol siya. Oh, ayan oh. Oh guys, kasi sa kusina lang siya. Oh, bug free siya sana. Ayan pa siya. I don't know what will happen. Sa kusina ko lang siya nilalagay. Ito bago siya, guys. Sobrang init kasi dito sa amin. Ang nilagay ko sa labas. So, I'm not really sure. Ayan siya, guys. Naputol pa. Pero ayan ay tumutubo. Ito ay bago. Let's see. Pero sa iba gumana, sa akin hindi. Ba't ganyan? Sobrang init kasi dito. Pero tingnan nyo, pag tumubo siya, guys, ayan siya. Let's see. Everyday ko pinapalitan yung water niya. Tapos nag-sprinkle din ako konti.
Guys, this is a new one. This is again after day 3. The previous one I show you because I put it in the fridge. Both of them got spoiled. So I again did a new one. This time around, I didn't touch anything. I just cut the lettuce.
Madumi lang yung bintana namin. Pero look! It's growing. Wag susuko. Yan. Guys, yan yung lettuce ko. Ayan o. Medyo nag-dry na naman. Mainit kasi, talaga siguro I cannot grow a lettuce sa bahay. Ayan siya, kasi medyo mainit sa bahay namin. Laging walang tao, tsaka ayan. Well, hanggang ganyan lang kahaba palagi ang naano ko. Hanggang dito ganyan kataas lang. Anyways, this is the end of my experiment. Maybe I don't have green thumb or hindi lang talaga ako marunong. Pero ito lang naman nakita ko eh. Anyways, ayan siya. This, para kay Victoria na lang to kasi tingnan mo nagda-dry na siya. Papakain ko to kay Victoria. She love lettuce din eh. Yun lang guys. If I will have chance, then I will try it again. Never surrender, diba? Pero, that's the end of my experiment. Hindi siya pala, in life naman, hindi palaging winner. Sometimes we need to learn or make mistake para umahon. Yun yung sabi ni Alibaba. CEO ng Alibaba. Okay guys, that's it. That's the end of my lettuce experiment.
In life, guys, there's ups and down. Kahit down, we have to lift ourselves up. Bangon ulit. Just like my plant. I know, due to temperature, it's like that. But eventually, I've seen in a lot of video that it's, you can regrow a lettuce from a supermarket. But not on me this time. Maybe next time. That should be our attitude. Laban lang, guys! So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me on my social media as well. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yes, and it's all Jessie Cats, guys! I miss you, munchkins! I'll see you all in the next video. And remember to always be a blessing to others. Bye na talaga!
I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I got bruises.